students, today we study about the Darwin theory of evolution. It is also known as Darwinism. Charles Darwin gave his opinion of evolution in his famous book Origin of Species by Natural Selection in 1858. In some book it was 1859. His theory was based on Malthus' essay on the principles of population. That is, food increases in arithmetic progression while the number of animals increases in geometric progression. Darwin theory of natural selection is the theory of organic evolution. According to Darwin, the new species evolved over a long time period through the accumulation of small variations which provides the structural and functional superiority over other for survival. Actually, the Darwin theory based on natural selection. Darwin theory is based on the following facts. Now go through these facts in details. Number one, enormous capacity of fertility. Each and every organism have the enormous power of reproduction. That is, they can reproduce more and more. For example, a very small unio can multiply very rapidly and form thousands and millions of the animals within 1 or 2 years. Second is constant population. Number of population is being constant because they destroy during the struggle, that is Jivan Sangharsh. 3 types of struggle for existence are there. Intraspecific struggle, in which struggle takes place between the members of the same species for food, space and mating. Interspecific struggle, that is struggle takes place between the members of the 2 different species for food and space. Environmental struggle, that is environmental struggle includes the drought and floods, etc. Now, variation and their inheritance, that is विभिन्नताएं और उनकी वंशागति. Only those variants which are able to exist themselves in the new adaptations can be survived, and this is known as natural selection. It means nature select only those individuals which have the new variants or new variations. It is known as survival of the fittest. Survival of the fittest. This is the main important point or factor of this theory. Now, inheritance of the useful variations. Only useful variations are inherited by the individuals of new progeny so that they can survive better in the adaptive conditions, and it may be lead to the origin or formation of the new species. Thus, variations are the raw materials for the Darwin's evolution. So this is about the Darwin theory of evolution, which is based on these facts. Now, criticism of Darwinism or demerits of law of Darwinism, Darwinian theory. Darwin could not explain the inheritance of characters, which was the weakest point of his theory. He explained his theory by pangenesis theory. That is, every organ in the body produced small particles called as pangenesis or gemmules, which reach to the gametes through the blood and accumulated in zygote. These pangenes segregated to form body organs, but This theory later on discarded after Mendelian inheritance principles. Second is the micro or graded variations. Graded variations are the raw materials for Darwin, but he could not explain the cause of these variations. That is how these variations created among the organisms. While the cause of these variations were mutations, later on discovered by Hugo de Vries, and he gave the theory of mutation. He could not explain the occurrence of the connecting links and vestigial organs. So these are some demerits or criticism of Darwinism. Now, differences between Lamarckism and Darwinism. As we know that Lamarck's theory is based on the inheritance of acquired characters, while the Darwin theory is based on the survival of the fittest as well as natural selection. We can understand the differences between Lamarckism and Darwinism by the example of giraffe. According to Lamarck, giraffes were short-necked, just like the ass in their previous days, and they eat the grasses on the land. After some time, due to some climatic changes, whenever the grasses on the land were perished, they try to eat the leaves of the plants. Due to this, they use their forelimbs and neck. After a prolonged time period, long-necked giraffe were produced. This is the use and disuse of organ. This theory based on the use and disuse of the organs, as Lamarck said in his. Now, example of giraffe. According to Darwin, two types of giraffe were there in previous days: short-necked giraffe and long-necked giraffe. Due to the variations, or variations is there in both, and whenever the grass is perished on the land, they use their neck and forelimbs. This is right for eating the leaves on the plants. But the short-necked giraffe do not survive during this struggle, and they died. Only long-necked giraffe can survive because they can easily eat the leaves of the long plants. Now, this is the main difference between both. That is, this Lamarckism is based on the inheritance of acquired traits. Acquired means required traits. Only acquired or required characters are transferred to the next generation. While the Darwin theory is based on the survival of the fittest and natural selection. That is, due to variants characters, the variant genes are responsible for survival, and these variant genes pass on to the next generation. So this is the difference between Lamarckism and Darwinism. Thank you. Thank you and have a nice day.